new study reveals turmeric starves cancer cells. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice, is commonly used in cooking. It adds flavor and color to dishes, but that's not only what it is used for. Most people also use turmeric for its health benefits. It contains curcumin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory effects, which may help in managing conditions such as arthritis. But that's not all. Recent studies show that turmeric also helps in the battle against cancer. It starves cancer cells, and it is also helpful in the prevention. I'll tell you how. Just before we continue, I'd like you to hit the like and subscribe buttons for me real quick if you are yet to do that, as it gives the motivation to keep making health-related contents like this. Now let's continue. I think it will be worthy to note that this has also been tested by many cancer research centers, and they agree that it works. Now, how does turmeric stop cancer? As I said earlier, curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric. It is a chemical compound and is responsible for giving turmeric its yellow color. It has been a subject of extensive research due to its therapeutic effects on various health conditions. Side note though, while curcumin is mostly talked about for its health benefits, its bioavailability is very low when consumed alone. This means that your body might experience difficulties in absorbing and utilizing it properly. So if you have been taking turmeric either as a root or as a supplement and you wonder why it has not been improving your health, this is why. So it is easier to take curcumin with supplements to enhance its absorption. Supplements like black pepper. It contains an ingredient called piperine. It is formulated to improve bioavailability. Combining turmeric with fats and black pepper when used in cooking will help you utilize the full effects of curcumin. Cancer cells are, in layman terms, cells that are growing rapidly and out of control. They require a tremendous amount of energy to make their rapid growth a possibility. Curcumin selectively starves these existing cancer cells in the body of energy. It blocks the cancer cell's ability to use ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of the cells. You might wonder, won't that also affect the healthy cells that are also inside the body when you take turmeric? No, it won't. That's why I mentioned selectively earlier. Most cancer cells generate their own ATP in a different way from the other cells, so the mechanism that curcumin uses to block these cancer cells of their ability to generate energy to reproduce does not affect the other cells, as those cells generate their own energy in a different way. Clear now? Let's move on. In the particular study that I will be talking about today, the first effect of curcumin that was observed was that it was able to reduce the level of ATP synthesis and also decrease the cellular levels of ATP. In the next step of the study, they experimented on live mice. They injected them with aggressive skin cancer cells or melanoma. Then they treated half of the infected population with curcumin, and the other half served as the control group. And remarkably, in just 2 days, the curcumin-treated half were demonstrating significantly slower tumor growth. It remained so for the entire period of the study. The experimentation further proved that the energy starvation was the mechanism that curcumin used to slow the tumor growth. Another important question commonly asked is if curcumin can prevent new blood vessel growth. Cancers need these new blood vessels to grow and develop so that it can support all the new rapidly growing cells. If this process gets blocked, it is even a more important way of limiting the growth of cancer. After the experiment I talked about earlier was completed, the researchers removed the tumor from all the mice. Then they found out that the half population of the mice who were treated with curcumin also had fewer blood vessels. Voila! Curcumin saves the day again. So curcumin not only blocks the energy needed for these cancer cells to reproduce, it also limits their access to the nutrients that they need to grow. Also in our body, rogue cells sometimes go haywire and start multiplying uncontrollably, leading to cancer. Curcumin comes in, signaling these rebel cells to self-destruct in a process called apoptosis, preventing them from forming tumors. There are over 5,000 published studies that describe the anti-cancer effects of turmeric, and now in many chemotherapy and radiation treatments of cancer, curcumin gets used as a trusty sidekick, enhancing the effectiveness of these treatments and also decreasing the side effects of the chemotherapy and radiation treatments. But you guys have to know that while turmeric and its active compound or ingredient, curcumin, have shown that they have promising potential in the field of laboratory and animal studies relating to cancer, it is not a drug or magic bullet that stops cancer in a definitive way. It plays a role in cancer prevention and treatment through several mechanisms. Results in humans are also often mixed or inconclusive, so turmeric should never be considered as a standalone treatment for cancer. Yet, so far, it is just a valuable member of the cancer fighting team. Also, if you're interested in using turmeric as a supplement or for its health benefits, remember to always consult with health professionals for guidance and also for the best cancer prevention and treatment strategies tailored to your unique needs and body if you already have underlying medical conditions related to it. And while you keep getting better, the experiments and studies for the exciting potential of turmeric keeps going on and more about it keeps getting revealed. So there you have it, guys. It's time to call it a day. Let me know what you think in the comments about this video and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more engaging content like this. Also, you can hit the notification bell so you can be the very first person to know when the next video drops. See you again soon. Cheers.